Hey guys, I am here in Las Vegas, here at the Venetian Hotel and Resort, and I am at the NAPA Now Convention. Boom. Yes, this is what we're doing this week. It's an educational type thing where they have a bunch of classrooms set up, and then they got all the race cars, and it's not as the same as the expo where they're actually showing you a ton of product and all the product that they actually offer through NAPA. They have basically like oil filters set up, and then you can take a class on oil filters and air filters, and then they have air conditioning components where you take a class on that. Unfortunately, Caroline couldn't make it. She is hard at work. This particular event for me was planned since before Christmas, so I kind of had to come. I'm going to show you my experience as much as I can, and let's just see what happens. Let's get after it.
I am bummed I couldn't make it to this one, but we wanted to give you a little taste of what we're doing when we're off at events like this. Well, at least mostly. We have meetings and such, but we will keep just the fun stuff in here, like playing with tools and looking at cool cars. Something really special about this year's event was the fact that NAPA is celebrating 100 years in business. Yes, 100. That's pretty darn cool, and something I think is worth celebrating.
I've been around GPC now for over 14 years, ran the industrial business for a while, and in 2023 I was asked to come over and run the NAPA business, so I've been the president of NAPA since the middle of 23. And it's my pleasure to be here with you, and we've got a great event planned over the next few days, so I hope you're going to enjoy it. I've walked the show floor, I've visited with a lot of the vendors that are here. They've gone above and beyond to have a fantastic show, but we're not stopping there. We're setting our sights on 200 years, and that's going to happen because of all of you in the room right here. So I'm looking forward to it, and I think over the next few days you'll see that we have the plans in place to get us there. All right?
Yeah, dude, I think it's cool. I have this. Carlisle. Oh yeah. That's a nice little tire. Take it out.
Yep, it'll come with that 8 through 21, pass through up to 15.
That's 5-year warranty, you said?
Yes.
Like it. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Anyway, yeah, please, I appreciate it.
Oh yeah. This is cool. Man, it's quiet. Pretty much going to be getting rid of all my air tools at some point.
Yeah.
What's the difference? This one's better? More power?
Yeah, bigger head on it.
It's the same. Oh, you're talking here?
Yeah.
I just want to. I don't know. I've got,
You're
you know,
crazy now.
I'm like the accountant. I have to finish.
You see rust in it.
Come here. Let me take care of that face.
It gets you all excited.
Let's go look at Chase Elliott's car.
What was that one car that it was talking about from 1980?
Is it here?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Let's walk around this way.
Let's take a second so I can tell you what I've got going on in the shop. When I'm deep in a build, I don't have time to cook or honestly even think about food, but I still need to eat right so I can keep cranking. That's where Factor comes in. These meals are fresh, never frozen, chef crafted, and ready to go in just 2 minutes. No prep, no cleanup, just heat, eat, and back to wrenching. I personally have been loading up on the Protein Plus options and grabbing smoothies and snacks as add-ons. It's clean eating without the stress, right in the shop. Truly, it beats takeout every time, and it keeps me fueled to finish what I start. Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code 50HHWheels to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. That's code 50HHWheels at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. Now let's get back to wrenching.
Hey, let's go get jacked. Holy crap. How many jacks do you need in the industry?
Well, I like the low profile one, yeah.
That's pretty cool. Get the off-road. Look at that freaking monster.
Level my cabin in Kansas.
There you go.
Embedding in.
That guy wants to be here.
Gold is a 10,000 mile filter with the synthetic blend media, holds twice as much dirt and is much more efficient at over 99 conditions. We live in a dusty environment. Applicable.
Full squeeze is full speed. This being a Talladega style bank turn NASCAR style track, just like the real thing. No talents required. You can go full speed at all times. Okay.
NAPA Now Convention. And I'm telling you, they are doing it right again. They absolutely knocked this out of the park. I am NAPA through and through, man. They just are a great company, and they really take care of their stores. They take care of the store owners. They take care of the people that are in their stores. I can't say enough about NAPA. I mean, they're doing it up right, and they spend a lot of money on this to educate people. Every room has, a product that they're selling, and they're educating all of their store owners, and they are taking care of all their NAPA Care Auto Centers and teaching them how to sell their products and show their customers what's best for their cars. And I think this is just an incredible thing to come to. If you're in the industry, you need to be here.
Although the guys at Counts Customs are basically celebrities in the industry, they are also professionals, so it's really neat that you can have the privilege to learn from their experiences through their public speaking panels like this, and hey, doesn't hurt to get a photo too.
Man, what a great day one. It was only maybe 3 hour-ish long. Today is an all-day thing. There's a ton of classes that we're going to be taking. A ton of classes we're going to be taking, learning about the products that NAPA carries. It might be a little boring, so I'm not going to be filming all that, obviously, but we're going to bring you as much as we can of this event and kind of squeeze it into a 15-minute or less video for you.
Oh, and of course it's Vegas. You can't help but walk through at least one casino either to get food or run to an expo.
Okay, our first class we're going to is Supplier Studio for Valvoline. So we can get over here to the Valvoline. Oh, this is a famous race car right here. This is really cool. This car, I believe Buddy Baker drove this or built it. And this paint scheme is the only paint scheme that was outlawed by NASCAR because you couldn't see the car in your rear view mirror when you were driving it. How cool is that? And that's huge. It's a famous race car. That's fantastic. Fantastic. Meticulously restored. God dang, that is just a thing of beauty. There's plenty of distractions here. Plenty of distractions. Let's get over to the Valvoline. See if I can catch up with Rob. Free refreshments. If you need coffee or bagel or anything like that. And that was Valvoline. Very educational. They have a new restore and protect oil for the newer vehicles, where if you do 4 oil changes with that, it will restore your high mileage vehicle back to clean, all the pistons, back to a new type of running, which I don't know, man. I think that's crazy, but that's what they're saying. So Valvoline, awesome. We're going to continue using the VR1, obviously, and all of our stuff, and I'm going to continue babysitting this guy. So one thing that I've noticed is it seems like we're going through a tool revolution. Almost every company out there that's producing tools are producing really, really good quality stuff. Carlisle has come out with some just amazing ratchets and sockets, and Milwaukee is here, and their battery operated stuff. I mean, you could get rid of all of your air operated tools right now with no problems. They make a battery operated tool for everything that you can imagine. You don't have to get on the Snap-on truck and buy tools now. I mean, you can get them right straight from NAPA and have a good quality tool that is going to be something that you can have in your shop for a lifetime.
Just when I thought it couldn't get any worse, Nigel yelled, "Charlie, show some respect to Mr. Bryan. This Einstein is going to be our boss in a few years."
Man, I love that car. It is kick-ass. If you can get to one of these NAPA events, they're impressive, man. They roll out the red carpet and they want you to learn every aspect of the business. And if you're in the automotive repair business, get your butt here. Get your butt to the next one. You'll be impressed.